It's already recording, just hold it and point it at us. Don't touch that red button, bro.
This is gonna be fucking funny.
Alright, we're about to have the Roman candle. Please don't shoot me.
If y'all shoot that shit at me, I'm gonna beat your ass.
Out of rank.
Oh wow.
Hey, watch it, fool!
Bitch.
They're not exploding now.
No, I was just trying to get him.
Why aren't they exploding?
Oh shit, he's gonna come after.
Yeah, watch.
Yeah.
He's fixing to
You
fuck
better
you
run,
out.
bitch.
You better run.
Run,
Shit.
bitch! watch that chubby ass go flying.
Got me that time.